worse from here on out. Today for your Saturday, some patchy freezing drizzle is out there. That's creating slick roadways, so please use extreme caution if you...
Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Went out, started my truck, let it run a little bit, get the ice off the windshield. We did have some freezing drizzle overnight, so the roads are hazardous out here by us, but I'm going to take you around and show you what's going on in the high tunnel and show you what's going on with my raised beds and some other things that we've not seen here before in Texas. Never, ever, ever have I seen this. Guys, that is about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. I expect it to get even more. By the end of the day, if I had some ice skates, I could really have myself a really good time. Let's go check out the high tunnel. So the wind is starting to pick up. It's quite cold out here. Woo-wee. The extended time of freezing has certainly taken its toll on my greens out here in the raised bed. I don't expect that these are going to rebound. Garlic is covered up. Not sure what's going to happen here. We watered it down real good, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So first off, we want to update you on how the Mr. Heater is performing, this triple head. This is running on medium heat, and it is lasting right at 12 hours, guys. So you can see it's starting to wind down. We're expecting this one to run out in the next probably 30 minutes. Let's go check out my seeds. Can you see that steam coming off of them? Ooh-wee. Look, we are about 60 degrees underneath our seed starting table. Everything seems to be okay. We're having to watch it because these seedlings will dry out on these heat mats. But right now they are looking, they're looking pretty good, guys, for us being in about 20 degree weather for the last 4 or 5 days. Beets and onions are looking fantastic. You can see here, my husband did pull the onions from the raised beds in the front, and you can see they're doing pretty darn good. Let's go over here to our peppers and our tomatoes. So yesterday my husband went to get some propane, and he had an epiphany. We have 2 of these radiator type heaters, and he put these in the peppers and he put them in the tomatoes, and guess what, guys? It's 51 degrees up underneath this plastic. Unbelievable. If we pull this off, it will be a miracle from the good Lord, no doubt. And here is my kohlrabi. I planted this before this cold weather set in, but it's starting to come up. It's right here in front of Mr. Heater. We're keeping it moist, and so we are doing everything we can to foster this high tunnel and make sure everything stays well. So this, no doubt, is a historic storm for us. Even the National Weather Service is calling it a historic storm. We're expecting 3 to 7 inches of snow. We're expecting our wind chill to be -15 by Monday. We're expecting the snow to start sometime today, but the bulk of it starting tomorrow. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. But we are very thankful. We're very thankful right now because we are safe, we are warm, we have firewood, our electricity is still on. Not using much of the firewood right now. We want to make sure that we have it to heat the house if we have to. Pipes are running smoothly. And thank you all, lots of you from up north, who told me don't let them just drip, you need to let them stream, and we have been letting them stream. I've gotten up in the middle of the night and ran hot water through the bathtubs, and I got up this morning again and started my truck, trying to keep everything going. I know that some of you up north may be laughing at us, but guys, like I said yesterday, we're just simply not prepared for anything like this. And like I said, it's going to be a very interesting next couple of days. So stay tuned. Be sure and hit that subscribe button so that if this blizzard-like conditions hits us, that we'll be able to show you what's going on. And one big caveat to snow coming tomorrow is it'll insulate this greenhouse. It'll insulate this high tunnel. So we're not going to mind that so much if that does actually happen, because we feel like it may work to our benefit. But right now it's icy outside, and that's to no benefit to anyone. If you're out and about, be so careful. The roads out here are icy. We've already had to put sand out on our back porch and stuff. I'm real bad about just tromping through there and not realizing what's going on. And in fact, Thursday I took a spill, and luckily my husband was out there, and he helped me get up, and but no broken bones, so that's a blessing. But wow. So again, if we pull this off, it'll be an incredible miracle. It'll be a blessing from the Lord, and we're going to wait and see what he does for us. He has blessed us tremendously already. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much again for all of you up north who have shot many comments my way telling me how to handle some of this weather down here, because we're not used to it. If you're watching this video and you're new to our channel, we want to welcome you. We have a great community, and if you have any comments or any suggestions for us over the next couple of days, shoot them in the comments below. Take care, God bless, and I will be touching base with you shortly.